Temporarily cross borders now, and Tanzania's President Samia Suluhu Hassan has announced policy changes that are clear departure from her predecessor John Pombe Magufuli. Suluhu has made a U-turn on the country's stand on the COVID-19 pandemic and lifted a ban on some media outlets. Leila Mohammed reports on the solution.
President Samia Suluhu Hassan has hit the ground running by ushering in a new team in government while signaling a change of direction on a number of issues, among them Tanzania's COVID-19 policy.
Swala la COVID, nakusudia niunde kamati ya wataalamu waliangalie swala la COVID kwa upana wake.
The president has said Tanzania must engage with the world constructively.
Hatuwezi kujitenga kama kisiwa na hatuwezi tukupokea yanayoletwa bila kuweka cha kwetu, bila kufanya utafiti wa kwetu.
This move has been welcomed by political and diplomatic analysts from the region.
Going forward, there will be measures taken, for example, wearing of masks and, of course, observing WHO protocols.
Kenya, from the very beginning, joined with WHO and the rest of the world, follow its proceeding and begin working with our people in order to contain the kind of calamity that potentially this country was going to face. Magufuli refused to join in. In fact, he went back to the African tradition, which is not scientifically proven.
The African chapter of the CDC has stretched out an olive branch to Tanzania on how best to maneuver the COVID matter. However, experts say that the sins of forefathers should be seriously corrected before going forward.
The move by President Suluhu this morning to acknowledge the presence of COVID-19 in Tanzania is a positive one, in the sense that we have been living in denial over the past year or so.
Another key step taken by the new president is the easing of restrictions on media.
Nasikia kuna vijivyombo vya habari huko mlivifungia, sijui vijitivi vya mikononi vile, vifungulieni lakini wafuate sheria na miongozo ya serikali. Tusiwape mdomo wa kusema tunabinya uhuru wa vyombo vya habari.
Experts have welcomed President Samia's move.
There's a sense of renewed optimism and hope. The government was all over them. They couldn't practice any fair form of independent journalism.
Tanzania was long seen as a haven of stability and democracy in an otherwise volatile neighborhood, but alarm grew over a slide in autocracy under Magufuli's rule.
President Uhuru is very good with what we call subtle diplomacy. It will not be a bad idea for President Uhuru to invite himself and go and have tea with her. At State House in Dar es Salaam.
But now under Samia, diplomacy experts believe the country seems to be reclaiming her past glory. Leila Mohammed, NTV.
Viongozi wa dini